In this slide, you can see that factor affecting irrigation. The first one is type of soil, type of crop, and season of sowing. In the next slide, method of irrigation. We will learn about two methods of irrigation: traditional method and modern method. In Pakistan, we are using traditional method. The first one is moat and or pulley. Second one is chain and pump system. Third one is dhelki system. And fourth one is rahat system. And in modern irrigation system, we have two type of modern irrigation system. The first one is sprinkler system and second one is drip system. In the next slide, you can see that in Pakistan we have traditional method, moat system. We have four type of sources here. The first one is, you can see here, the bucket source. Bucket we are using as a source. The second one is rope, and third one is pulley, and the fourth one is earthen slope. The man is using oxes. With the help of oxes, he is pulling stress on bucket and bucket filled with channel and throwing water into the channel. In chain pump system, we have wheel, chain, and sources. Man is continuously moving the wheel and the bucket sink into the water. You can see the process. Buckets, chain pump system, shaft and handle. Man is moving shaft and handle continuously into the pool, and you can see that with the moving of man, shaft and handle, he is moving continuously, and buckets are still empty. In this method, buckets are empty or the channel is not useful for a man. And next system is dhelki system. In the dhelki system, you can see the sources. The source is man. You can see the source here: fork shaped, log, and stone. These are the four sources man is using in this system. You can see man filled the water into the bucket, and it is called dhelki system. A man is as a source, he is working in the system, and this system is also not useful for irrigation. You can see that it's a very old and traditional method. And next system is rahat system. You can see that in this system you can see the wheel, series of bucket you can found here, and you can see the wheel, and here is also found a ox moving towards besides the wheel, and wheel, belt of buckets you can see found here, and wheel is again here moving. With the movement of the oxes, you can see log is tightened up beside its neck, and wheel is moving continuously, and continuous moving of the wheel and oxes, the bucket filled with water. You can see all the bucket filled into the water. This system is also not very much useful for the irrigation. Traditional method of irrigations cost effective and time consuming. You can see in the all method. And next, modern irrigation system, drip system and sprinkler system. We have two type of irrigation system in Pakistan. First, we are going to describe sprinkler system. You can see here the pipes and baby plants. And in this system we are using sources, pipe and nozzles. With the help of nozzle, the water is throwing towards the baby plants, and we are using tank system. We preserve water into the tank, and through the pipe or nozzles they are throwing water on, or with the help of pipe they are throwing water on towards the baby plants. And water pump also they are using and throwing water. Next one is drip irrigation system. In drip irrigation system they are also this type of method they are using. They are also using pipes and pumps to irrigate the baby plant. You can see a lot of baby plants in this slide irrigated by pipes. Modern irrigation system, it's very costly, less labor and less time. And in this module you have learned irrigation is the artificial method for supplying water to crop field to assist crop production. And in this module you have learned that a moat, pulley system, chain pump system, dhelki system, raft system, they are costly, effective but time consuming. You can see 1, 2 and 3 pictures. And in this module you have learned the sprinkler system and drip system. They are modern irrigation system. They are costly but require less labor.